Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of number systems and digital codes, that is number convergence. In previous videos, we have already seen the conversion of decimal number system into other number systems and conversion of other number systems into decimal number system. So in this video, we are going to see the conversion of binary number system to octal number system. So let's see how we can convert the binary number to octal. So to convert that number, we have to follow some steps. So we have to group the binary bits into 3 bits group starting from the least significant bit. That means we have to start grouping of a 3 bits from right to left. If at the leftmost side we are unable to form group of a 3 bits, then we have to add 1 or 2 zeros at the MSB position. And after that we have to convert each group into its equivalent octal number. So let's see the example. So this is the binary number is given. We have to convert it into equivalent octal number. So let's start the grouping of this binary bits, 3 bits grouping from right hand side. That means we are starting from LSB position. So this is the first group. We are started from the LSB group. So this is the LSB. We have grouped first these 3 bits. Then let's move towards left. This is the second group, third group, and this is the fourth group. So if at the fourth group we have seen that only 2 bits are available. So to complete the group of a 3 bit, we have to add 1 0 at the left hand side or at the MSB position. So we are going to add the 1 more 0 at the MSB side. So this is the first group, that is 1 0 0. The second group 1 1 0. Third group 0 1 1. And this is the fourth group. We have added 0 over here at the MSB side, that is 0 1 0. So now we have to convert each this group into its equivalent octal number. So this is the table I have shown over here. So these are the octal numbers and these are their binary equivalents are present. So the first group that is converted to number 4. Second group, that is 1 1 0, is nothing but a 6. 0 1 1 is 3 in an octal and 0 1 0 is nothing but 2 in an octal. So to get the answer, we have to collect these numbers and we can write this given binary number is equal to this 2364 into octal number system. So let's convert the binary fractional number to its equivalent octal number. So here the example is given. We have to convert this fractional number into binary number into equivalent octal number. So let's start grouping of these numbers. So for a fractional part, we have to group again this. We have to combine 3 bits to form a group of a 3 bits, and for fractional part, we have to start the grouping from left to right. So we have started from this. If there are more numbers, they we move towards the right hand side. So if we are unable to made a group of a 3 bits at for the fractional part, then we have to add the 1 or 2 zeros at rightmost side. So similarly, we can again group for this integer part from right to left. So start grouping from right to left. So this is first group for integer part. The second, and again for third group, there is one bit is not available to made a group of a 3 bit. So we can insert 1 0 at the MSB position and we form the group of a 3 bits. Now we have to write the octal equivalent of these groups. So again table is here. So we can write this 1 0 1 is the 5, 1 1 0 is 6, 0 1 1 is 3 and 0 1 0 is 2. So we collect these numbers to get the answer. So we get this given fractional binary number is equivalent to 236.5 in octal number system. Let's convert the octal number to its binary equivalent number. So, to convert this octal number into binary, so we have to perform it by converting each octal digit to its 3-bit binary equivalent. Okay, so we have to write the binary equivalent for each digit of the octal number. Let's see the example. So we will get how we can convert it into binary. So this is the number 365. We have to convert it into equivalent binary number. So again I have shown the table. So we have written the number 365. So we have to represent this number 5 into its equivalent binary number, that is, so here 101. So let's represent the 5 in binary, then 6 into binary is 110 and 3 into binary is 011. To get the answer, we have to collect these numbers. So we get that this 365 in octal is equivalent to this binary number, that is 011 110 101. If the fractional binary octal number, we have to convert it into equivalent binary, then again write the number, and for each digit in octal we have to write its equivalent binary number. So for 7 it is represented as a 111 in binary, 3 as a 011, 2 as a 010 and 5 as a 101. Let's collect these numbers to represent the given octal number into equivalent binary number. So next conversion is binary to hexadecimal conversion. What do we have to do to convert the binary number into hexadecimal number? We have to follow some steps. So binary hexadecimal numbers, they are nothing but a 0 to 9 numbers or digits and A to F alphabets combination. So hexadecimal numbers, they are represented in a binary as a group of 4 bits. So to convert this binary number into its equivalent hexadecimal number, we have to group the binary integers or binary bits into 4 bits group, starting from the least significant bit, that means rightmost position, and we have to move towards the left hand side. If we are unable to form the group at leftmost side, then we can add zeros, required zeros at the MSB position. Then we have to convert that each group of a 4 bit into its equivalent hexadecimal number. So let's see the example. So this binary number is given and we have to convert this number into equivalent hex number. So let's start the grouping of bits. It is 4 bits group from right to left. So this is first group, this is second group, and this is the third group. So third group we have to add 1 0 to the left hand side or at the MSB position to complete the group of a 4 bit. So we have adding over here 0 over here at the MSB side, and now let's write the binary or a hex equivalent of this number. So here is the table is available. So this first group, that is 0 1 0 0, we can represent as a 4. 1 1 1 1 is nothing but F in hex, and 0 1 1 0 is nothing but the 6 in a hexadecimal. To get the answer, we have to collect this number. So we get the hexadecimal number, that is 6F4, that is equivalent to this given binary number. If fractional number is given, we have to convert this fractional binary number into hex. Again, we have to group this bits into 4 bits. So for fractional part, we have to start from the binary point, starting from binary point, that is from left to right. So this is the first group, but we required a 4 bits group, so only 3 bits are available. To complete the group of a 4 bit, we have insert 0 at the rightmost side, so we will get the group of a 4 bit. For integer part, let's start the grouping of a 4 bits from right to left. So this is the first group and this is second group. So the second group, there are 4 bits, they are already available, so we do not need to insert the 0 at leftmost side. So again, we have to write the equivalent hex numbers for this group. So here is the 6, E and A. So we get the answer as AE.6. So this is the equivalent hexadecimal number for the given binary number. Now convert the hexadecimal to binary. So again, this is very simple conversion. So to convert this hexadecimal number into binary, so this can be performed by converting each hex digit to its 4-bit binary equivalent. So it's very simple. Just we have to write the 4-bit binary equivalent of that particular hexadecimal digit. So let's see the example. 3B5, we have to convert this hexadecimal number into its equivalent binary. So here we have written the number 3B5 and now we have to convert this each digit into its equivalent binary number. So 5 is represented as 0, 1, 0, 1. So again I have shown the table over here. So B is represented as 1, 0, 1, 1 and 3 is represented as 0, 0, 1, 1. So collect the numbers to get the answer. So 3B5 in a hex is equivalent to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 into binary. If the fractional number is given and we have to convert it into equivalent binary, then again same process we have to follow. Write the numbers and convert each digit into its equivalent binary. So A is nothing but 1010, 2 is nothing but 0010, 9 is nothing but 1001, D is nothing but 1101 and 1 is nothing but 0001. So collect these numbers to get the answer and we get the answer over here. So it is very simple. We have to just convert each hexadecimal digit to its equivalent binary. Next conversion is octal to hexadecimal conversion. So to convert this octal number to hex, first we have to perform the octal to binary conversion. Okay, first we have to convert this octal number into binary and then group the binary integer or bits into 4 bits group starting from LSB and move towards left hand side. If we are unable to form the group, we can add 1 or 2 zeros at the MSB and then we have to convert each 4-bit group into its hex equivalent. Let's see the example. Here 365, this is the octal number, we have to convert into equivalent hex number. So first we have to convert this number into its equivalent binary number. So 5 is represented as 101, 6 is represented as 110 and 3 is represented as 011. Now we have to form the groups of a 4 bits starting from LSB. So make a group of a 4 bits. This is first group. This is second group. For third group, only 10 is available. So let's insert 3 more zeros to form a group of a 4-bit. So this is our third group. So let's represent these groups into its equivalent hex numbers. So first group is nothing but 5, second is nothing but F, and third is nothing but a 0. So we get the answer, that is 365 in octal is equivalent to 0F5 in hex. So this is the last conversion, that is hexadecimal number system to octal number system. So to convert this hex number to octal, first we have to perform the hex to binary conversion as we have performed in octal to hex. First we converted octal to binary. Similarly, for hexadecimal to octal, we have to perform the hex to binary conversion first. Then we have to group the binary bits into 3 bits group starting from LSB and move towards the left hand side. If we are unable to form the group, then we can add 1 or 2 zeros at the MSB position and then convert each group into its octal equivalent. Let's see the example. So 3B5, this is the hexadecimal number, we have to convert into octal. So we have written over here the number. First we have to convert this number into binary. So we have converted this number into binary, that is 0101. Then B is written as 1011 and 3 as a 0011. So after converting this number into binary, we have to form a groups of a 3 bits starting from LSB. So this is the first group, second, third, and this is fourth group. And now we have to write the equivalent hexadecimal, octal numbers of this group. So here nothing but a 5. This is 110 is 6, again 6, and 001 is nothing but a 1. So we get the answer that 3B5 in a hex is nothing but the 1665 in a octal number system. So this is all about the number conversion. So these are the assignments depend on this number conversion. So you can solve these assignments depending on this video, and the video I have prepared before this. And this is second assignment, that is based on again the video, second video, and this third video. Thank you.